video tutorial will show you how to set up and run a post-weld heat cycle on the Cooperheat SideKick controller. On the home screen, select the Post-Weld button. Here, you can view both channels and what the current temperature for each channel is. The temperature is currently shown in degrees Fahrenheit, but you can switch between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius on the settings page. The alarm for each channel can be turned on or off by clicking on the button next to Hold Back Enabled. When second channel is set to control mode, it will follow the same recipe as the first channel. You can change the second channel from control mode to manual mode by clicking on the control button. When the channel is in manual mode, you can manually enter the set point you want the channel to achieve by clicking on the box next to set point. There are two types of recipes you can select: simple recipe and multi-step recipe. The simple recipe is for running simple post-weld recipes. You enter your starting temperature, then enter what rate and temperature you want to ramp up to, then enter how long you want that temperature to be held for, and then finally you enter what rate and temperature you want to ramp down to. For recipes requiring extra steps, the multi-step recipe allows you to build your own recipe from scratch. You can have up to 10 steps per recipe. Click on the box next to Step Type to select the step type for that step. Here I'm going to build a recipe for the example. We will start with a ramp up to 315 degrees at a rate of 500 degrees per hour. The next step will be for another ramp up to 650 degrees with a rate of 230 degrees per hour. Next, we will select a soak step with a duration of 1 hour and 5 minutes. Next, we will ramp down to 315 degrees at a rate of 330 degrees per hour. Finally, the last step must be an end step. I am going to select Turn Control Loops Off, so the recipe will stop once this step is reached. When you are happy with the recipe you have created, click the Done button. Once you have either the simple recipe or the multi-step recipe set up, click the Play button to start the channels. A cycle name will be automatically generated for you, but you can enter your own cycle name if you wish. Once you click Done, the cycle will start. You can see this by the channel's output lights turning on and its cycle name appearing at the bottom. Once the recipe has completed all of its steps, it will automatically stop the heat cycle. Once the heat cycle is complete, you can download the data and use it to create a report. For more information on how to download chart data from a SideKick controller, please check out our video, Importing Chart Data from a SideKick Controller, on the Cooperheat Resources page.